What if I told you that the real secret behind a 70-year-old man's energy isn't hidden in expensive pills, but flowing silently through his blood? Why do some men in their 70s radiate strength, stamina, and vitality that even 30-year-olds struggle to maintain? This isn't luck. It's biology. It's chemistry. And most importantly, it's control over one powerful system: your blood vessels and hormones. Forget the hype. Forget the fake promises. The truth is far more fascinating. The simple combination of banana, ginger, and garlic isn't just a folk remedy, it's a biochemical weapon. Today, we are going deeper than ever before. We'll uncover how these three ingredients directly influence nitric oxide production, cortisol levels, and arterial flexibility. By the end, you won't just see food the same way. You'll understand how to turn it into a powerful, natural performance enhancer. Ingredient 1. Garlic, the blood flow activator. Let's begin with the most potent player, garlic. At its core lies a powerful compound called allicin. Science shows that allicin relaxes and expands blood vessels, dramatically improving circulation throughout the body, including the areas that matter most for male performance. But garlic doesn't stop there. It also lowers cortisol, the hormone responsible for stress. And here's the truth most men ignore: cortisol and testosterone are enemies. When stress goes down, testosterone rises. This means garlic doesn't just improve blood flow, it creates the perfect internal environment for peak masculine health. Ingredient 2. Ginger, the hormonal igniter. Now comes ginger, the silent protector and activator. Its key compound, gingerol, works like a metabolic accelerator. It boosts circulation, raises body heat, and most importantly, it stimulates luteinizing hormone. This hormone sends a direct signal to your body: produce more testosterone. On top of that, ginger is a powerful antioxidant. It shields vital reproductive cells from damage, preserving function and strength over time. When combined with garlic, the effect is amplified. Garlic opens the pathways. Ginger fuels the system. Together, they create a long-lasting engine of stamina and hormonal balance. Ingredient 3. Banana, the foundation of energy. Finally, the stabilizer, banana. More than just a quick energy boost, bananas are packed with potassium, a mineral essential for proper nerve signals, muscle contraction, and healthy blood pressure. Without it, your entire system becomes unstable. Bananas also contain bromelain, an enzyme linked to improved protein absorption and enhanced libido. Think of banana as the conductor of this trio. It ensures that everything works in harmony, helping garlic and ginger absorb faster, act stronger, and last longer. This isn't magic. This is precision. The reason some men thrive even at 70 isn't because they're lucky. It's because their bodies are working with them, not against them. Banana, ginger, and garlic form a powerful triad. They open your blood vessels, balance your hormones, fuel your energy at a cellular level. This is how real vitality is built, not overnight, but through consistent, intelligent nutrition. Now I want to ask you, what natural methods have you tried that actually worked? Drop your experience in the comments. Your story might help someone else transform their life. And if you want more deep, science-backed insights like this, hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned. The next breakthrough might change everything.